Good evening, all. Welcome to the top-notch renovation update number 923. I have my promenade going here, and I wrapped it all the way around, and I had to use a heat gun. There's the heat gun sitting right there. I had to use the heat gun to make these turns, and I started putting in the fence, which are dowels. That's these dowels here, and I have to cut them down to size. And the walkway for the promenade is a 1x2, and the cap I'm going to put on top is a quarter inch round by half inch, and which is sitting back here. But I'm going to have to drill through this and sit it on top. It's going to sit something like that, you know what I mean? But it's taking time. But this is where we are right now. I think I'm going to continue my drilling and installing my dowels, and we'll go from there. Have a great night.